Hello students, today's topic is causes of biodiversity. So in this point we are learning about habit loss and fragmentation, overexploitation, alien species invasion as well as co-extinction. So this causes of biodiversity we are also called as evil quadrant system of biodiversity loss. Okay, so in the examination point of view they may ask for 5 marks, okay, or else 2 or 3 marks question. Okay, so now let us go to the first point here. First one is habit loss and fragmentation. So as the word says, okay, and near to the picture also you can see habitat loss. Habitat is nothing but an area where the organism will live. Okay, fragmentation, it is cut into a smaller fragments. Now let us discuss the points here. So destruction of habit is the primary cause of extinction of species. Now cutting down of the place or an area due to the human activities or a pollution. Okay, this is the first point. Tropical rainforest has covered the 14% of land, now only comes to the 6%. That is what we say. All the forest, rainforest, in that the main important one is Amazon rainforest. Okay, and this is called as lungs of the planet. This has been cut down and this has comes as 6%, okay, in the landed area. So this Amazon rainforest, we say it is called lungs of the planet since it provides the amount of oxygen to us. Okay, now when a large size habitats are broken into a small fragment due to the human activities, certain animals are badly affected and they are threatened. That means when you started cutting the forest, so it will also affect the animals which lives there, right? So it also affects the as well as threaten their survival. Second one is over exploitation. When natural resources are over exploited by a human due to his greed, it results the degradation and extinction of the resources. Example is Tiller sea cow as well as passenger pigeon. Here this point says when need turns into greed, and this leads to the over exploitation. Now when I take a simple example like mobile phones, okay, mobile phones are our need. Now greed is nothing but when you started using more, what happens, that you know, okay, that is called as greed, and this is known as over exploitation. Now at the same way, whenever we use the Stiller cow or passenger pigeons, all these species, okay, so using more, so they are become a, okay, during further days they become a extinct part or extinct species. Now so in the same way some of the fishes, okay, population also in and around the world are more harvested, so they also leads to the over exploitation. Third point is alien species invasion. So as you can see the picture, okay, Nile perch as well as African sea fishes, then this I think it is a catfishes here. Then this you can see the example carrot grass, lantana as well as water hyacinth. So all these which comes under alien species. That means how will you define this alien species? Now a bigger and then smaller, you can see the size of the things here in this picture. Nile perch is the big fish and the African sea fish is the smaller fish. So the bigger one which is going to eat the smaller one. Now bigger one is known as an alien species. So in that you can see over the Nile perch fish has been introduced into the lake Victoria, where in that lake the presence of many sea fishes are present. So what will happen? These Nile perch will started eating the sea fishes. Okay, this is also causes the biodiversity loss. The same way you can see there, okay, African catfish, okay, Claris species is posing threats to the indigenous catfishes in India. You can see a smaller and the bigger one. Okay, the bigger one catfish, it is from Africa, and the smaller one, it is from India. So that means you can see the variation. This one just started eating the smaller one. That means it will causes the biodiversity loss. The same way, the carrot grass, okay, grass lantana, and the water hyacinth also, which comes under alien species invasion, since these grasses, which is comes inside the field, any field if you take, so it doesn't allow the other plants to grow. The same way, water hyacinth, which is present in the water, okay, it will multiply in the water and drains out all the oxygen which is present in the water, and then the death of the fishes take place. So it is called as terror of Bengal. Okay, and all these are the causes for biodiversity loss. The last point we say it is called as the co-extinction. So, co-extinction is nothing but when a species become extinct, the plant and the animal species associated with it in an obligatory manner also become extinct. For example, if host species becomes extinct, all those parasites exclusively found on it will also become extinct. So, co-extinction here, in a simple word we say dependency. That is, see, the parents, okay, and the children are depend on the parents. If one is not there, means it is difficult to survive. The same way, when you take a flower as well as the honey bee, okay, or an insect. Now, if the honeybees or insects are not there, means it will affect to the flower for pollination. That means flower as well as honeybees both are important. So this is called as co-extinction. So this is called as co-extinction. So hope these points are clear to you. Okay, thank you.